Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to create a new repository, how to create a repository in GitHub. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Make sure you have a GitHub account and then you log in. So there are several ways to create a new repository. Okay, you can click this button or you can go here, the plus sign, click new repository. Okay, so in this example, either one of them you choose. No, so let's say this one. You click this one and then type the repository address book address book in Julia. So address book underscore Julia. Okay, that is the name of our repository. It is available now in the description. It is optional, so I will write this is a simple address book that I wrote using Julia programming language. Okay, short description. Actually, it is optional. You can write or not. No. Okay, you have two options also. Public, anyone can see. Choose. You can only choose. Okay, that can read now. So we choose public and click create this repository, this button. Okay, so we have successfully created the repository, no? Address underscore book Julia in GitHub. So that's it guys, no? Very easy, very simple. You can add collaborators if you want to work with them or not. Okay, there are also a couple of commands here that we will follow using get, no? So thank you so much for listening and watching. Please do like, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.